By the end of this video, you will know how to edit a contact in HoneyBook. Start by logging in to your HoneyBook account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Contacts. This opens the area where your saved contacts are listed so you can find a person or organization you want to update. If you have many contacts in your account, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one before moving on. From the contacts list, select the contact you want to edit. This will bring you to that contact's record, where you can review the details that are already saved. When you are on the contact page, click the contact's name. That action opens the Edit Contact window, which is where you can make changes to the information attached to this contact. Inside the Edit Contact window, update the fields you need to change. You can revise the full name, email address, phone number, organization, project, website, or job title. Move through each field carefully and replace any outdated information with the current details you want to keep on file. If a field does not need to change, leave it as it is and continue to the next one. As you work through the contact details, it helps to check that each entry matches the information you want associated with that record. This is especially useful if the contact has changed companies, started a new project, or updated their preferred contact information. Keep your edits limited to the fields shown in the window so the record stays accurate and consistent. If you need to update information beyond the main contact fields, look for More Details and expand it. This section gives you access to additional contact information that may not be visible right away. Open it only if you need to make further changes, then review and edit the available fields as needed. If there is nothing else to adjust in that section, you can leave it unchanged and move forward. Once all of your updates are in place, click Save. This applies the changes to the contact record in HoneyBook. Before you save, make sure the edits shown in the window reflect what you want to keep, since this step updates the saved contact information in your account. After you click Save, the contact record will reflect the new details you entered. At that point, the edit is complete and the updated information is stored with that contact for future reference inside HoneyBook. Your HoneyBook contact is now updated with the edited details.